You want to free me? Just
free you? Free you from what? What are you talking about? What?
From oppression.
He said free you from oppression. Really? When I win, you win. Hey y'all, so we're super excited. Welcome back to the Goals and Endurance Living channel. So as I had mentioned in the last video, the HUBS has some exciting news to share with what is happening with Goals and Endurance Living. Well, not what's happening, but what is new with Goals and Endurance Living.
So with Golden Endurance Living, we have a brand new candle, and it's actually a plumbing candle.
Ooh.
So by trade, I'm a plumber, and sometime with plumbing, it could be really hard, and sometimes you need that relax. So just pipe down and relax.
Show the people, babes.
So
get
right
in
here,
there.
This way?
This way.
That
We're not
way.
recording
That
here.
way. Right to you. Right here. Look at me in my eyes. Right here. Boom. So
me and the HUBS collaborated on this scent. Wanted to offer something masculine, and Sam is like my silent investor, silent partner. You know, I really don't want to hear too much of his
or any of it. Any of it.
just donate if you can financially.
Any of it.
But with most of Goals and Endurance Living fragrances, they're more of like tropical scents, more feminine scents. So I wanted to bring something a little masculine, and I wanted to do something with the tradesman. Sam is a plumber. He's been a plumber for well over, I think, almost 20 years, over 20 years now.
Wow.
I know we look young. We look young. And so, I wanted to do something masculine, something that can help tradesmen, plumbers, HVAC guys, electricians, carpenters. So not only do we have Pipe Down and Relax that's going to be available for pre-order on March 7th, we also have the Sawdust and Sunset, but we're going to be focusing on the Pipe Down and Relax since it is the plumber's edition and Sam is a master plumber. So yeah, we're super excited to be offering a manly, masculine scent. So the scent notes are fresh citrus, cardamom, violet, saffron, and then it has woody notes of amber, and it just smells delicious. And well, not delicious and something to eat, but just it's manly, but it's not overpowering. It's like a good cologne.
I agree, and it's needed because not everyone can afford a vacation, and I get it, but especially ones in the trades, because so many times that you have a hard day or a busy day and it's stressful. If you're working for someone, they're yelling at you. so to come home and light this candle, if you're a plumber, yes. If you're not a plumber, still yes. If you think about being a plumber, still yes. So light the candle and be relaxed.
Yes.
So that's what you want, a little relaxation.
Yeah.
And you can get it through Golden Endurance and the very silent partner. So if you want to free me, just
free you? Free you from what? What are you talking about? What?
From oppression.
He said free you from oppression. Really? When I win, you win. We both win.
We both win.
No, you didn't.
I'm just kidding you all. So it's actually a really, really good candles, you know. So, and then Golden Endurance is definitely where you can get it.
Yeah, and you know what? With a lot of my candles, well, not a lot, they are made with coconut wax, and I like using that wax because it's a slow and even burn, and it's just the scent is not, it's just smooth. I don't know how it's just smooth throughout the air. It's not overpowering. That's what I like about using coconut wax. But yeah, we're super excited for Pipe Down and Relax. So definitely stay tuned. Get yours at the link in the description, and we will catch you guys on another video. And who knows, you might get Sam making his own batch. He's just endorsing the whole labeling. He chose the scent. So yeah, we're super excited.